going on, guys? I'm TechBoy is back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make HD thumbnail for YouTube videos. And for that you have to simply download this Pixel Lab app that will help you to make HD thumbnail. When you have downloaded this app, click on this app and it will take you to this site. It has many different functions, but I will tell you guys only basic one that I use to make my thumbnail. You can see my videos thumbnail, that is basic things, but it can be more better than last one. So for that, you can, if you see three dots at the top right corner, click on that. You can change your size, image size. So you need a YouTube thumbnail size, so you have to choose YouTube thumbnail. You can also choose any image for the background, but I will use white color. That will be from here, and I have to resize it again to YouTube thumbnail. So when you have choose the background, you can go to text area. You can also write any quotes, or you can only write text. So when you have clicked the text option, here will be several options for text editing. So first of all, edit the text. Wait a second, let's change this keyboard. Okay, let's write how to make. So if you go more front, you can see the size. You can manage the size, how much big you want, how to make, then just click it. If you go more forward, you can see the color option. You can choose any gradient or only color. If you go, you can only choose the portion you want to be colored. So okay, wait a second. When you have colored, you can also add texture to the text. So let's go, and now I will choose the font style, and I always use Amaranth Bold. So if you go more further, you can also make text like it has a background, but I'm not doing it. So, and you can also give stroke to that. As you can see, you can give stroke to the text. You can also give inner shadow, emboss, and much more. So this will be the editing of text. Now we can also get here, you can also import some stickers, shapes, etc. You can also have arrows, or you can draw one. And next, you can make the background transparent. If you see, so you can also make the background of any color. So you can use image from gallery, or you can do camera. And this is, I don't know, I never use this option. So this will be the basic stuff you will need. So the main thing is the text thing, that will be the common subject for the thumbnail making. So guys, if you are feeling some change in my voice, I am very sick. I have a flu, so my voice is very bad. So that's why my voice will be little bit changed. So let's write thumbnail here. Okay, I was going to thumbnail. Okay, I want to add HD. How to make HD size should be like this, HD, and it should also be black. It also stretch. So guys, there will be no video in between 29 July and 8 August. because there will be my monthly assessment. If you guys don't know what is it, it is a kind of exam. It will be in between 29 July and 8 of August. So if there is any Sunday or Saturday in those days, so there will be no video. So okay, let's go further and give this a stroke. So guys, this is the way you can make your thumbnail HD. So last my YouTube thumbnail you have watched, it just got 149 views. It is my one of the most popular video I ever made in my life. I hope this also get more than 100 views. I will be very happy if this get more than 100 views or even 80 above. Okay, let's size this. Okay, size is done. Give this red color, maybe font, stroke. Should we give this? No, it will be enough. So guys, this is the HD thumbnail you wanna make. You can see it is so good. And now let's come to the upper part. Here is the reverse thing, Pixel Lab logo and etc. So here you can save your image as a project or save as an image. It will be saved. Let's confirm it. Okay, you can also share this and save to gallery. It has been saved. So guys, this is the way to make HD thumbnail. Hope you guys understand it and it help you guys to make HD thumbnail. So please guys, if you are new to my channel, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't understand anything, ask me in the comment section. I will tell you how to do that. So please can guys give me 10 likes in this video. I hope you can give me 10 likes. So see you in the next video. Until watch my rest of the video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.
Don't let me